Gas prices are on the rise again. The national average is now officially at a record high. That's according to AAA.
The prices in Georgia and Tennessee are also at record highs, but there's one distinct difference between the two states. News 12's Scott Coral is live in Rossville with more on that. Scott.
Yeah, the national average for a gallon of gas in the U.S. is $5.01. That's the highest ever. Tennessee and Georgia, it's a little lower than that, but there is one distinct difference between Tennessee and Georgia. Tennessee makes you pay the gas tax, while Georgia doesn't. The average price of gas in Tennessee and Georgia is only different by a dime a gallon. But if you live in Catoosa, Dade, or Walker counties, you're already paying less than most cities in America at $4.35 a gallon. Georgia's average price is the lowest in the U.S. thanks to the suspension of the gas tax by Governor Brian Kemp in March. Tennessee didn't follow suit, and that gas tax money is going to fund a local highway project that will help residents in the long run.
Most of the gas tax goes to offset the cost of repair of the roads and bridges and redo the interstates and stuff. But keep in mind, just here in Hamilton County, between the Georgia state line and I-75, the state of Tennessee in the next 10 years is going to spend over $1 billion on our interstate system, I-24. That's more than any other portion in the state of Tennessee.
Gardenhire says Tennessee is helping residents in another way, giving people a break on license plate fees for a full year starting July 1st. An email from Governor Bill Lee's office says Tennessee residents can expect a grocery tax holiday the full month of August to help save money. But if the gas tax funds roadway projects, would Georgia suffer? Not according to an email from Governor Kemp's office. The suspension will be reevaluated July 14th, but it was already renewed just a couple weeks ago. Georgia also has a state income tax, and the state has generated enough revenue that no transportation projects are delayed. But gas prices are still high. Megan Cooper from AAA says going to Georgia from Chattanooga might be worth it from a money-saving aspect.
Take a look in your local area, especially if you are, on the border of another city or another state, just to make sure that you are able to get, some of the cheapest gas prices that you can. Just make sure that you aren't, driving further than you normally would to fill up on gas because, that gas is expensive.
Lee says the license plate fee suspension will save residents about $120 million. But Georgia Governor Brian Kemp may have him beat. Along with the gas tax suspension, Kemp signed a law that gives Georgians a one-time tax refund of $250 per person or $500 per household. That all adds up to over $1 billion for Georgia residents. In Rossville, Scott Coral, News 12 Now.